No, Main Queen is double under. Yeah, Main Queen's double under. Sorry.
It is?
I was confused. Main Queen's double under. Those three vessels are double unders right there. Queen of Cumberland's a double under. Coastal Celebration's a double under. They're double unders, yeah, definitely. No, they're double unders. It's gonna be, but it's fun to watch the ferries. That's mine. If you want yours, you should watch your own, but you're fine. It's fine. You can watch my videos on YouTube. Alright.
10 out of 10 hype.
Oh, this is 1080i. We don't use it anymore. I'm just kidding. But yeah.
What quality is it?
1080i. So if you convert it to 1080p, it's like HD. It's like old-fashioned HD. So it's not 720p, but it's like before they had 1080p. It was HD, but before progressives came out. So it was integrated. Or interlaced. Well, there goes the Coastal Celebration. Change direction over to the Queen of Cumberland and Main Queen.
Cumberland's really kind of soon because they have everyone on.
Well, so we would have, if we were coming on Saturday, if this was Saturday, we would probably be in the Queen of Cumberland. Because it's not, we're on the Main Queen. So that's the vessel that puts us on. Usually, always. Very rarely do they have an alternate. Very rarely. The Bowen Queen is usually never on my run.
No, Main Queen.
What do you mean? Yeah?
When's the last time you been
The last time I was here.
No, really?
On the way back. Yeah, we took the Main Queen every time.
When is it gonna...
May of 2021. And it will be replaced by that vessel right next to it. The vessel that we call the Queen of Cumberland.
It's more upgraded.
Because those loading ramps suck. See? Those loading ramps, they're a pain. So we have a name for the Queen of Cumberland, and it's the Queen of Cumbersome. Those annoying and painful loading ramps. I'm gonna get a picture of Queen of Cumbersome. It's gonna be a Photoshop meme. Even though I'm still banned from the first one.
Double stacks them. Hey guys.
Queen of Cumbersome.
Lukey wanna see.
Alright, don't start getting crazy.
We do a good view right there, like you just turn the camera.
Let's not get crazy right now. We can get crazy later. I have plenty of pictures. I can take as many pictures as I want without worrying about space.
Well, so can I. Or taking 2,000
I have 21,000 pictures until I need to empty my SD card. And I've only taken 100.
How much gigs is
I think I took 200 pictures, 300 pictures so far today. Dude, I've taken a lot. Trust me, it's cool. Okay, oh, see those painful loading ramps? Painful Queen of Cumbersome loading ramps. Ugh. Luke.
Yeah? I don't know.
Don't go crazy. You did that again. Remember that one? You literally broke her. So don't do it.
Oh, come on. Fix it. Oh, no, it's too long now.
Now, what are they doing?
Oh, wait. I got it.
Are you kidding me? That's literally how these ramps work.
No, they're not done doing it Queen of Cumberland. It's still a while until they finish boarding.
Anyways, those loading ramps take a while and they're painful. So, in the meantime, we'll just wait for those loading ramps to cooperate. Yeah. my goodness, they're still dropping the loading racks. Are you kidding me right now? See,
Stockless.
Luke,
What?
leave your shoes on. Come on. Don't get crazy right now, all right?
My shoe. Look at my poor red toes. They've been sunburned. My poor red toes.
Can we just not goof around,
Yes.
please? Otherwise, I'm gonna throw you over.
I'll sue you.
I'm just kidding. We're gonna kill all you sis from Main
I
Queen's
sue you
kinda
$1 million for
Main Queen's
situation.
Main Queen's kind of old, so like if you go in the water, there's gonna be a lot of barnacles, so you get an extra tour of the underwater keel. You'll have a great time. No, I'm just kidding. We will never do that. In fact, I don't know. I don't think they even allow that anymore. And I think it's legally internationally banned
For what?
to keel haul someone. So it's where you take a rope. So like, let's say this is what I would do. Okay, I would tie a rope around your leg. I'd put you on the boat, and literally, they would literally throw you over, and they would drag. Basically, they would drag you under the side of the boat. But here's the goal, the keel. Like this. Watch. And literally, it would like. The barnacles, you would get scraped by the barnacles.
Yeah.
And then they would throw you onto the other side. Gently.
I've heard torture methods, and trust me, that was one of them. We all know.
Well, you wanna try it? No, I'm just kidding. Bruh. No, I'm kidding.
You try it first.
Banned from this video. Yeah, I'll do that. Alright, when's the next, oh yeah, probably about an hour. Yeah, an hour, actually. No. The next BC Ferries vessel coming in from Short Space is going to be here. Coming from Sawasan will be here in a little while. No. That's, they don't have to. To be honest, I want to say there's only 3 berths there, actually, at Schwartz Bay. No, there's 2 big ones.
I'm not kidding. It's actually
Yep,
a big squid.
yep, I see it. All right.
What's a squid in the water? Reality. Why's a big fat squid on the...
So, can I tell you how painful those ramps are? Look at that. Look at this. I hate those ramps. I kill those ramps.
Oh, but why is there a big black hole on the...
Because there is a big black hole.
Yeah, but why?
Oh, that? It's a mast for lights. And it holds cables together.
I told you.
So, do you not know how annoying those ramps are? Here's what you have to do. Watch, alright? Here's the card. Watch. You go like this. And then they lead you on. Watch. And then they put this down. You go up. Wait, they're loading both sides. How did they? Oh, they got the trucks in first.
I want to see all your badges. How much did these badges cost?
I don't know.
Sick.
No, how much? No, these?
Yeah.
Oh, this one was $16. This one was like 5 or 10. And this one was, I don't remember.
Wait, what does that say on it?
BC Ferries. Oh, I told you.
This one.
You keep asking me the same question.
How to order
BC Cumberland.
And what's that?
I guess I kind of stopped. Yeah. Let's